Meet the Freedom-X chair, where comfort meets innovation. Designed to adapt to your every move, the Freedom-X is perfect for every moment. Long hours at your desk? No problem. The Freedom-X chair molds itself to your body, giving you the support you need to stay productive. For creators and innovators, the Freedom-X offers ultimate flexibility. It's more than just a chair. It is your workstation for long hours. Whether it's a studio where you create art or reading of a book, quiet gliding wheels, the Freedom-X keeps your space cozy and undisturbed for you. From multi-adjustable armrests that move with you, and a laptop stand that lifts and lowers easily, becoming your new workspace in seconds, to ultimate comfort and versatility and range of recline positions. The chair's smooth transition and customizable features let you switch from work mode with your pet companion by your side to relax mode with flexible settings, seamless adjustments, and soft pet-friendly materials for maximum comfort. Whether you're playing games, enjoying the guitar, or watching TV, the Freedom-X is built to move with you and adapt to your needs. After a productive day, the Freedom-X reclines effortlessly, giving you space to rest and recharge. With customizable designs and premium materials, the Freedom-X fits seamlessly into any space. Engineered for your lifestyle, designed for your space.